See what she did. She's got great instincts at checking forward. He does too. He don't.
She's just straight. She's
yeah.
Straight. She's super straight.
I never say anything. I'm blind as a bat. Suppose it doubled. You said he's a double machine. Let's find out, Jed.
That's it. I don't know if it's double or not.
It's time when they go that long in a straight line.
I'm guessing come down here.
I hope it did, and then we'll get more video. That was a nice little stretch of running there.
Oh.
Now if it'd just be right. She's full of crap, isn't she, Jack? Back out in front of him.
Oh man, you had it straight ahead, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I said. Back out in front of him. Yeah, but I think she barked it that far, didn't she?
She come down lower than that.
Is that right? Are they going up?
They come out. They stopped. Jack actually stopped right there. She barked like.
Yeah, she went to.
Just
yes.
a couple times. That's what kind of stopped
Yeah,
him.
he still hadn't said anything though.
I'd say that's right there.
Yep. Still pretty close work. That was a nice little stretch here. Nothing wrong with that. She's 22 weeks old today, Jen.
I mean, you can have her running with your two. The benefits you get out of that is I don't think she'll ever get. She'll never. I don't think she'll ever have a tendency to come out of her.
What have I told you?
Element.
I told you I'm gonna make her a nice dog for somebody.
Oh, exactly. But she's still gonna be just.
Somebody will be glad to have her someday. Yep. I agree totally. You could see every time he'd get up close to her, she'd pick up the pace.
Well,